Hello, everybody. My name is Stone, and welcome to my first little moto vlog. Now, license plate, no, bad. Alright, look at my aunt's brakes on her fucking Pathfinder Rogue? I don't know, fucking stupid little Nissan cars. So, just filled it with gas last time I rode it. It's gonna take a second for it to warm up. In the meantime, anyway, I don't really have much planned for this little ride. I am literally just riding my little bike. It's quite a bit low on coolant, I've noticed. The reservoir is completely empty, but the radiator is full, and it's fine to ride in these cooler temperatures like that. So, well, at least that's what my uncle told me. Who fucking knows? Maybe he's lying to me. Regardless, I have, in that box, in the box next to the oil filter wrench box, and next to the oil box, is coolant. Enough coolant to completely drain this bitch and refill it with brand new good shit that I know is good. And I got the oil, and I got a bunch of funnels and stuff, as you saw in the last one. Just a second ago, you could see in this sight glass that the oil level was like about half, and something fucking stinks. Hold on, something smells really bad. There is oil in this, yes? Suspicions. Okay. So, it's more than likely just dust on the exhaust that I was smelling. But it does smell bad. So, let me give it a half second for all that oil to come back. Because I do like... So, that's on the lower line, that's fine. I do like to do a little pre-ride checklist. I'm not a fucking motorcycle mechanic, but for the most part, I know what I'm looking for on most of these vehicles. Hopefully I didn't just show that fucking license plate. Oh boy. That chain is, what is that? Red. Is that red grease? Oh, that might just be grease. I thought it was rust. Okay. So, I'm concerned about that. Oh god, okay, hold on. Whoa, that's about to come off. I just want to be able to confirm that this thing has oil in it. Yeah, it looks full. Okay, let it back down on its side. Ugh. Okay. Yeah, there was oil in it. Yeah, there's oil in it. Okay. That was a little scary. Okay. Back to warming her up. So, I think what happened, what I just scared myself with was, step outside, it's fucking hot in this garage. Was, so, obviously, tilted this way, side glass is on this side. And, sorry, adjusting the camera a little bit here, now it's fucking see in the light. Oh, no. Yeah, so what I think I was seeing there was, what the fuck was I saying? Oh yeah, tilted this way, so all the oil's going that way. Plus I started her up, so everything, oil pressure, went to all of the components, especially the oil filter, and then all of it was sucked away from the sight glass. And so it had me tweaking, thinking there was no oil in it, because I'm a tweaker when it comes to mechanics and mechanical dinguses. And you can see that that coolant level was just fucked right off, so whatever, who cares. I don't have the best gear of all time. I have Magpul gloves, a regular fucking coat for the wind, jeans, and some Nikes. So if I go down, it's gonna really fucking suck. But here's to hoping I don't go down. And real quick, I'm just gonna make sure I have all my things. You get to see my little OCD checklist. Oh, yes. More people get to witness my OCD. Oh, hold on. Let me be a good boy. It's basically warm. Good to watch me do chores as well. This is so great. I love this helmet cam. Ooh, wow. Ooh. I swear, this feels so wonky and crooked. But I think it's just because of how one of my eyes is more fucked than the other. Sorry, I'm so fucking... Anyway. Alright, let's just get on this motherfucker and go. It's been 7 minutes. Me just dicking about. Time to actually ride my dang old motorcycle. Oh, yeah. Okay. What? Kickstand is... Even kickstand lets me OCD. Lights are on. Put there in the first. Let the clutch bring me out of the garage. And oh, let's not hit the mirror there. Alright. So I am going to lower my other visor. Not completely, but just enough to let everything fog up in here. Whoa. I'm really bad at driving. I hope you all know this. And you can see we're also bad at driving based off of how many tire tracks and fucking grass, how much mud strewn about out here.
Steady for the stop sign. Oh man, been a while since I've been on a bike. That's cold as shit. I'm not the greatest at shifting, as you'll see, or riding in general. And I'm definitely not going to be riding as much as I thought I was going to. It is quite chilly out here. But I just wanted to give her a real quick rip just since I was, you know, off work on a seemingly nice day. It's no longer as nice. Significantly colder than I thought it was. Whatever. Man. We'll, hello? Speed limit's 20. It is fucking cold. I need better fucking writing material? PPE? What the fuck am I saying right now? Fucking words are coming out of my goddamn mouth. I doubt I'll be able to go. Oh wow, look at that, I'm able to go. Yeah. Oh yeah! I have no idea what's going on. I'm fucking cold as shit, my friend. Oh, it is cold and it smells like smoke. And my fucking legs are squeezing into the tank right now because I'm so fucking cold. This was a terrible idea, I tell you, my friend. Good sir. This was an absolutely preposterous idea. Why have we gone out for a ride, my friend? This is an absolutely ridiculous... Holy fuck, it's cold! It is very cold, and I'm only going 46! Fuck me! Fuck me! Fuck me! Fuck me, my friend! My friend, fuck me! Fuck me! Fuck me! So, take it down to 3. No, oh no, oh no. Clutch out. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Oh, yes. I'm so bad at riding a motorcycle. No one look, no one look. Everyone look away. Look away now. Don't look at me. No, and very quickly you just kind of get used to it, you know? It's cold as shit, yes. Yes, it is. It is fucking freezing. I'm just a little baby, okay? I'm just a little guy. I'm just a little guy. Little guy just freezing my little ass off right now. Fuck me, it's so cold. Yeah, I'm just a little guy. I'm your little guy! Alright, don't you know? I'm just a little guy. Oh, you've got to be fucking kidding me. Oh, don't kill me, my friend. Sometimes I forget that, like, your feet have to do things, too, on a motorcycle. Why are you not going? Fuck. Yes, my feet are doing the things now! Would you look at that? I have become acquainted with the motorcycle once again. Oh, would you look at that? Toyota! Yes! Toyota! Oh my god, I become a rabid animal when I'm on this thing. Could it be the fact that it is cold as balls? Perhaps. Perhaps it is because it is cold as fucking hell it is cold! My lord! Why are you going so fast, my friend? Shift up to 6. Yes! Golly gee, it is so fucking cold! the fucking motorcycle's on the odd bar too. Hello, sir! I wonder if he heard me. Hello! How are you? It's weird that I can yell at people. Why have I become British? Am I just that fucking cold that I've been transported to the UK? God save the Queen! I'm fucking freezing! I would like to go home, but I must ride. I have a duty to God and country and this motorcycle, and my manhood and my balls, my bullocks. Kill me! Smite me! I am so cold it does not feel cold anymore. Put in. I'm just cruising. Oh yeah. Let's go down to the. Let's just run around. Hey baby! Howdy sir! How are you? Oh, I'm sure that sounded like slurs coming from me. British accent on the motorcycle. The fucker probably has headphones in. Random dickhead just screaming at him in a British accent. Yeah, boy! Yeah! Okay, I gotta chill. Sony Mountain Preserve. Now you can dox me. I've shown you my entire route to get to Sony Mountain Preserve. From my fucking house like a moron. It's okay, come and murder my family. It's quite alright. We have guns. Don't you worry, we are strapped. We have firearms. I keep a blicky on me, sir. Yes, sir. Cow. Here. Grace Baptist Church. If you needed any more information about where I live, I am fucking freezing! Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy! Hey, boss! British thing. Suck your mum! Suck your mum! I'm in me mum's car! Vroom, vroom! You know what? Let's go all the way to work! So I can harass my co-workers. I just left. I literally just left, and here I go back to work. Although I don't think I will make it in full time. But we must persist. Strong men, not because of any conservative bullshit you want to tell me. We're strong men because we fuck other men. We fuck boys, damn it! I overpower twinks on a daily basis. God. I'm having a good day. It's a really good day. Just having a lot of fun right now. I may be freezing my ass off, but I'm having just a good old time. Down to fifth. Down to fourth. Down to third. Down to second. Down to first. Freedom Mill. Actor invented attitude. Fuck else that place is. Guns? I know they have guns. Oh wow, it feels very warm when you're suddenly not moving anymore. Yes! Fucking guy, but I think he heard me. Oh yeah, it's mighty warm on my legs. Yeah, baby. Yeah, boy. Oh, yeah, boy. A motorcycle just makes you feel like the biggest dick. My cock is so fucking throbbing and massive. It's so big, it's massive. Postures. Absolutely insane. Not too low speed to be going fucking 6 gear. Who gives a fuck? I don't give a fuck, it's a Z400! I do give a fuck, I like this quite a bit. I'm fucking freezing. Down, down. Third, down second, down first. That's the sounds of my wiener. Hello, officer! Good day to you, sir.
You
as well, police of Dawson County. I am really fucking cold. Are you looking at me so hard, sir? Okay. Genuine fuck. Okay, yes. Yes, let's move it, please. You've got to be fucking kidding me. Did I just honk? Sonny Coop. I'm gonna touch the engine. The person behind me just watched me molest my motorcycle. No. Grading and corporate Jasper George. No, they literally just watched me arrest the shit out of my motorcycle like it was sexy form. Sexy form. Yeah, boy! Look angry. That looks cool as fuck. What the hell? That random CRV looked cool as shit. Okay, I'm definitely fucking turning around. Like, it is way too cold to get where I work. Everybody, if it wasn't so fucking cold, I'd be having a great time right now. I am having a great time right now. But I'm really fucking cold. It would be a lot better if I was, like, not. Please do not fucking... Fourth gear. Oh, fuck. I'm fucking freezing! Let's fucking go! I just had to get a Moto vlog in, man, you know? Do it for the gram, do it for the gram, do it for the vine, do it for the gram. What kind of what kind of crack am I smoking? You know, when you have cold air going directly up your nose, you start to fucking choke on mucus. I yearn for high revving, slow ass machines. What I really want is I'm not gonna lie, that's like Dream Bike. Dream Bike is MT-07. This thing, super fun, super good time. MT-07. After I master this motherfucker. God, it's windy as shit too. See, that's the thing, it's not just cold when I get going, it's kind of windy already. It's cold when I'm stopped too. Glad I didn't wear those shoes. Mesh on the top, it would have been fucked. My feet would be freezing right now. They are freezing still. Okay. A lot of shit going on up here. Gear. Oh, sick of gear. Alright. It's not fast! I've never driven this. I take it like complete way back. Like on the highway briefly. This is just like weird. Yeah, because I'm gonna get shot back out straight when normally I would. The other way I would go left. Like. To go the same way that I had already gone previously. You'll see. I don't know why I'm sharing the way I go home, but fuck me! It's so cold! I'm literally speeding just to go home faster. It's making me more cold. Alright, I'm having a good time. It's fun. I'm having fun, but I am fucking freezing. It's a nice little road. Sick. Man, fucking freezing for real. I can't wait to do more vlogs like when it's not fucking cold. Ooh, God damn, son, what the fuck? Son of a bitch. Oh, fuck me, I don't want to turn. God, okay. I did not think this through very well. Okay. Breathe. Left turn signal. Two. Wow, I fucking suck at driving a motorcycle. God damn. Mostly because I suck. I need like a lot of practice. I did my MSF course like 2 years ago, and then didn't ride like ever since. And then I got a bike, and you know the few times I've ridden since then, I've done pretty good. Like I haven't like stalled at red lights or anything crazy, but I guess that's not crazy. It was pretty. But
you know,
like I haven't
been
bad. There's been a few times where it's like, you know, shifting as I'm turning, like going 1-2
through
the turn, like is
a weird
concept for me because it feels like lose shit on my ass. Ugh. That thing is fucking loud. Alright, so if I was going straight, going the same direction, if I was going that way, I would turn left onto this goddamn road. Oh, okay. I need thicker gloves. My hands are fucked right now. The only part of me that's not super fucking chest. Even that, like, my fucking sleeves are wind tunnels right now. What the hell that did inside the road, but it better not be a cat. I will cry. Wow. Fuck me! It is cold! Oh, I know this whole video is just, wow, it's cold, wow, it's cold. You have fucking no idea how fucking cold it gets on a motorcycle without the proper gear. Fucking shit! That was the scariest fucking thing of all time. I've never passed a motorcycle, or a fucking semi-truck on God damn it! Fuck! A bigger truck, like a semi-truck, on a motorcycle. That shit it kind of pushed the fuck out of me. Oh, fuck. god. It's so... Oh. God, this was such a bad idea. I should have fucking put the hoodie on. I didn't realize it would be so bad. The hoodie and my mechanics gloves. And or a thicker set of gloves in general. Oh, fuck. Oh, this is miserable. This is genuinely fucking awful. Watch that cop turn around and stop me. Oh, fuck, bitch. Hurry the fuck up. You gotta move, ho. You gotta move, ho. You gotta move. Fucking cunt. Sorry. I'm being mean. It's because it's freezing fucking cold back here. Yeah, you go turn right. Oh my god. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Fucking. I have no idea if there's an officer behind me or not, but I'm so tired. I apologize, everyone. I am being a massive dickhead right now. Yeah. Being this slow helps a lot with the wind. Really think about how long your drive is in a car, but when you're on a bike, you only do about half of it, and then do the other half back. You go down. That's fucked up. That is a fucked up drive. Currently so fucking stuck in that little fucking hole there. Oh, my exhaust. Oh yeah. It's hot even. Yes. Oh, that felt good as fuck. Put my right hand in front of the exhaust. I'm good to go. I could go another 20 minutes. Just fucking kidding. I'm going home. It's a good ride though. As miserable as it was. I love riding this thing. I love riding. See, this is what I mean, like, I shift. I know it's not where I just shift. If it was where I just shifted, it wouldn't have been so fucking shifted. I know it's like so more in the turn, but I can't for the life of me figure out where to do it. I'm assuming it's like you shift up to 2, and then after that you just like go until you're straight again, shift up to 3, and at that turn I wouldn't have done before. I'll just get in the turn lane, go back down to 2, and then bada bing, bada boom. But I don't know why, in the fucking moment, I couldn't fucking tell you how to do any of that. Or if I could do any of that. God damn, son. Here we go. A minute here. Yeah, way too fucking fast. Better not hit me. Okay. The fuck home. We're going the fuck home. Yeah, baby. Oh, God. Shit. I just like cut out in front. Please don't do the same shit and hit me. Oh, 8 miles per hour feels so much better. Oh, it's my fucking... It's a wind tunnel I've made with my helmet. Oh shit. Oh god, I'm off chance.
Thank you. How would you do that? Oh, this is sitting up there, right? Patch, go around. Maybe squeeze better. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on. Let's push it up just a bit here. Oh shit, that's caught on the kickstand. That's what it's there you go. Now it's good. Alright. All right. Thank you for watching, everybody. That was a fun ride, even if it was cold as shit. And my hands are probably going to be amputated now. Literally chilled to the bone. But yeah, it was a good ride. It's a good day. It's a decent day. Got a lot more content coming soon. More of this. Gonna do an oil change on it. Gonna drain and fill coolant. I have a surprise. I have a few surprises, actually, I think. Yeah. Other than that, though, working on music still, slowly but surely. I want to start doing more gaming videos as well. And car content coming soon. That guy over there. He has a lot of work that needs to be done. So that's gonna be a good time. That's gonna be fun. Anyway, this was a good ride. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hey guys, sorry about that. My camera died. So where was I? Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the ride. Hope you want more of this content. And yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.